What was the name of a bow used in goddess Sita's Swamvar? The options are A. Pinaka, B. Pindika, C. Anandaka, or D. Pisaka. The correct answer is A. Pinaka. What was the significance of Lord Shiva's bow or Shiv Dhanush? The options are A. Anyone can strung it. B. It could not be strung by any normal human. C. Anyone can lift it. Or D. Only a warrior can string it. The correct answer is B. It could not be strung by any normal human. Where did King Janak find Sita when she was a baby? The options are A. In a jungle while hunting. B. At nearby city while traveling. C. In a field while plowing a site. Or D. Near the river during walk. The correct answer is C. In a field while plowing a site. How many men are needed to pull Lord Shiva's bow? The options are A. 500, B. 100, C. 300, or D. 400. The correct answer is A. 500. What were Sita's wishes regarding Lord Shiva's bow or Shiv Dhanush? The options are A. She will marry the one who shoot the bow. B. She will marry the one who string the bow. C. She will marry the one who break the bow. Or D. She will marry the one who wield the bow. The correct answer is B. She will marry the one who string the bow. How did Lord Rama and Sita get married? The options are A. Lord Rama lifted the Lord Shiva's bow. B. Lord Rama won the war. C. Lord Rama shoot an arrow from the bow. Or D. Lord Rama killed the demon. The correct answer is A. Lord Rama lifted the Lord Shiva's bow or Shiv Dhanush. Who was King Dashrath's first choice as crown prince? The options are A. Lord Rama, B. Bharat, C. Lakshman, or D. Shatrughan. The correct answer is A. Lord Rama. Who told Kekai that Lord Rama being made crown prince? The options are A. Kaushalya, B. Sumitra, C. Manthra, or D. Sita. The correct answer is C. Manthra. How did Kekai react to the news of Lord Rama's possible coronation? The options are A. Initially, she opposed the decision. B. She asked Bharat about his views. C. She did not interfere in the decision. Or D. On Manthra's insistence, she opposed it. The correct answer is D. On Manthra's insistence, she opposed it. What Manthra wanted Kekai to do? The options are A. To make Lakshman the crown prince, B. To ask King Dasarath to make Bharat the crown prince, C. To make Shatrughan the crown prince, or D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. To ask King Dasarath to make Bharat the crown prince. How did Kekai convince King Dasarath to change his plan to change crown prince? The options are A. She told Dasarath that Bharat is worthy. B. King Dasarath owed Kekai one boon. C. King Dasarath owed Kekai two boons. Or D. Being a queen, she can decide the prince. The correct answer is C. King Dasarath owed Kekai two boons. Why did King Dasarath owe two boons to Queen Kekai? The options are A. It was the condition to marry Kekai. B. Being a queen, she has the right for two boons. C. Kekai requested two boons from Lord Rama. Or D. Kekai saved Dasarath's life during a war. The correct answer is D. Kekai saved Dasarath's life during a war. What did Kekai ask in return of two boons? The options are A. To make Bharat the crown prince and exile for Lord Rama. B. To make Bharat the crown prince and exile for Lord Rama, Lakshmana and Sita. C. To make Bharat the crown prince and exile for other brothers. Or D. She asked nothing in return of two boons. The correct answer is A. To make Bharat the crown prince and exile for Lord Rama. What was the reaction of Lord Rama on hearing these boons? A. He opposed the decision. B. He asked Lakshman's opinion. C. He accepted without question. Or D. He asked Bharat's opinion. The correct answer is C. He accepted without question. Who all went to the forest with Lord Rama? The options are A. Sita and Bharat. B. Sita and Shatrughan. C. Sita and Lakshman. Or D. Bharat and Shatrughan. The correct answer is C. Sita and Lakshman. What was the name of the forest where Lord Rama, Lakshmana and goddess Sita stayed during exile? The options are A. Arnya, B. Arnyak, C. Dankarnya and D. Karnaya. The correct answer is C. Dankarnya. What was Lakshman's reaction when he heard that Lord Rama is not made crown prince? The options are A. He accepted the decision. B. He did not accept the decision. C. He blamed Bharat for this decision. Or D. He blamed Shatrughan for this decision. The correct answer is B. He did not accept the decision. What did Lord Rama tell Lakshmana when he was not happy with the decision of King Dasarath? The options are A. They should fight for their rights. B. I will act on my father's promises. C. They should not uphold the dharma. Or D. I will not act on my father's promises. The correct answer is B. I will act on my father's promises.